हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 20 जून 2025 के टॉप 22 करेंट अफेयर्स गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में आपके लिए क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहेगा, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना है कमेंट सेक्शन में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। व्हाट इज इंडियाज रैंक इन एनर्जी ट्रांजिशन इंडेक्स 2025? एंड द आंसर इज 71st. Second question, who was awarded the Bal Sahitya Award 2025 for Hindi language? And the answer is Sushil Shukla. Third question, which Indian state recorded the highest wind power capacity additions in financial year 2024 and 25? And the answer is Karnataka. Fourth question, which country will host the 52nd G7 summit meeting in 2026? And the answer is France. Fifth question, what is the name of India's first dedicated cyber security center for cooperative banks launched by MSC Bank? And the answer is Sahakar Suraksha. Sixth question, where is the inaugural FIFA Club World Cup 2025 being held? And the answer is United States. Seventh question, where did ISRO conduct its first successful rocket launch test in Uttar Pradesh? And the answer is Kushinagar. Eighth question, which mission has India launched to evacuate its national from Iran? And the answer is Operation Sindhu. Ninth question, which country have claimed the top spot in the Global Liability Index 2025? And the answer is Denmark. 10th question, when was the Crocodile Conservation Project launched, which have now completed 50 years? And the answer is 1975. 11th question, Padma Shri awardee Maruti Chittamapalli, who recently passed away, was associated with which field? And the answer is Environment and Wildlife Conservation. 12th question, who has been appointed as the new brand ambassador of Skechers? And the answer is Kartik Aaryan. 13th question, who will organize the Shooting League of India for the first time? And the answer is National Rifle Association of India. 14th question, Barak Magain, also known as Lightning Shield, is the air defense system of which country? And the answer is Israel. 15th question, where has Google launched its world's fourth and Asia's first safety engineering center? And the answer is Hyderabad. 16th question, SMILE, that is Support for Marginalized Individual for Livelihood and Enterprise Scheme, is an initiative of which ministry? And the answer is Ministry of Social Justice and Welfare. 17th question, which film has become the first Indian animation film to win the Jury Award for Best Commission Film? And the answer is Desi Aun. 18th question, recently PM Narendra Modi concluded his visit to the European nation of Croatia with the signing of 4 Memorandum of Understandings. What is the capital of Croatia? And the answer is Zagreb. 19th question. 10th ICC Women's T20 World Cup 2026 will be held in which country? And the answer is England. 20th question. What is the theme for this year's World Sickle Cell Day? And the answer is Global Action, Local Impact, Empowering Communities for Effective Self-Advocacy. 21st question. Which country co-chaired the first joint working group meeting on agriculture with India on 18th June? And the answer is Ukraine. And the last 22nd question. Which initiative was announced by Union Minister Nitin Gadkari on 18th June to ease travel on national highways? And the answer is फास्टैग बेस्ड एनुअल पास। तो ये थे 20 जून 2025 के टॉप 22 करंट अफेयर्स। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है, इन विच सिटी द इंटरनेशनल रिलीजियस फ्रीडम समिट 2025 वॉज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड रिसेंटली। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।